In Oklahoma, do I still pay alimony if my ex gets remarried? I'm told attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we have, deals with spousal support in Oklahoma and what are grounds to terminate it. And the question is, if the ex gets remarried, are they still entitled to spousal support? And that is a question that's actually pretty clear and answered by statute. It's Title 43, Section 134, Subsection B, and I can read what it provides. It says, the court shall also provide in the dissolution of marriage decree that upon the death or remarriage of the recipient, the payments of support, if not already accrued, shall terminate. So yes, remarriage is grounds for automatic termination of spousal support. However, if everybody is aware, the recipient is aware that getting married is going to cause their spousal support to stop, their alimony to stop, that might cause a delay in them getting married. So there's also a provision in subsection C there, which notes that voluntary cohabitation of a member of the opposite sex in a relationship is grounds to modify. It's not automatic termination like remarriages, but it's grounds to modify. However, you have to be very proactive on that because the case law is pretty strict that you need to get into court very quickly on that. If all of the spousal support accrues before you actually get the hearing, then retroactive modification may not be possible on that. So that's something that you will want to look into. But to answer the question, does remarriage terminate spousal support? It does automatically by statute and should be by the decree pursuant to the statute saying it needs to be in the decree. However, if the recipient knows that, they may put off getting married and just be cohabitating, in which case it is not automatic termination, but it is grounds where you can modify to terminate or lower spousal support if that cohabitation is going on and if that means that there's been the circumstances of the need of the other party has changed. So file for that modification. So if you're dealing with this circumstance, you're going to want specific advice from an attorney that you can get only after a private consultation. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you go online to makelaweasy.com.